In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view all completed tasks in ClickUp so you can track your progress and see everything you've finished. Start by opening your ClickUp workspace. This is your main dashboard where all your tasks and projects are stored, so make sure you're in the right workspace. Next, go to the Dashboard section from the left sidebar. This is where you can create custom views to display specific task data. Now click on New Dashboard. You can either start from scratch or choose a template to save time and get a structured layout. If you're new, select a template that includes task tracking or overview features. Click Use Template and let ClickUp generate your dashboard. Once your dashboard is ready, look for a widget that shows tasks. If you don't see completed tasks right away, you can customize it. Click Add Widget and choose a task or list widget. Then apply a filter and set the status to completed so only finished tasks appear. After applying the filter, your dashboard will display all your completed tasks in one place. You can adjust the layout or add more widgets if you want a clearer overview based on your needs. And that's it. You've created a view to see all completed tasks in ClickUp, making it easier to track your progress and stay motivated.